So one of my favorite pieces of equipment here on the channel has to be this arm right here. This thing is amazing, holds my microphone really well. This microphone is kind of heavy, but it is a little bit expensive. You're looking about $130. This is the Gator Frameworks Deluxe desk mount, and I tell you, I got this for many months. Highly recommended. This thing is fantastic, right? But if you're running a podcast with multiple different people, maybe 4 or 5 people, it's going to be kind of expensive to purchase this. And although it's great, it does have some limitations. Like, you need a place to kind of like clamp this on, right? I got this clamp in here into my desk. So again, I wanted to show you a very, very inexpensive way, but it's really fantastic. By the way, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. So this one right here is one that I have for a long time, and I'm going to show you some B-roll so you can see it. But again, this thing is fantastic. This thing is the OnStage DS72B adjustable desktop, and again, it's really a fantastic choice. About $20, $19.95 usually. That's what you're getting, right? So essentially, you could buy 5, 6 of this for the money that you spend on one of this right here, right? So if you're looking to do a podcast with many people, again, this is going to be your way to go. But this thing is fantastic, really fantastic. It has a really platform here that is kind of heavy, so when it sits on the desk, it's not going to move around. Obviously, you're going to need a flat place for you to put this on, but if you have a desk or a table or something like that, it's going to work just fine. It's going to allow you to bring it up a little bit, so you're going to have some adjustments up and down. Depends where you want to position your microphone. And again, it's just a pretty nice choice. It looks good. It works good. I'm just going to give you a quick look here so you can see kind of how it will look if I'll be sitting down in this desk with this microphone. So again, I know the choice depends what you're running, depends how you setting out your podcast, your studio, whatever you're doing. This may be a choice for you that it does not cost a lot of money. I got 2 of them and I like it very much. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you on the next one.